God damn. Batch 27. Play around now. Try out my first, I guess, actual like flight. Woo! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna keep it pretty simple today. Just going through a little mini workout here in a sec. I guess first and foremost, about to go on a little walk. Take Callie on a little mini walk. You know what it is. Head to the gym, and then yeah, we're gonna finally test out this new drone I got. So stay tuned. We'll catch you in a sec. God damn! Oh shit and shit. Batch 27. How many dumb, stupid bozos are doing chest and back on a fucking Tuesday? Nice. Monday. Oh shit, it's Monday.
Another day in the office.
Okay, guys, I am back home. Just went on a little walk with Callie. She is kind of tired, but anyways, yeah, finally to it. Controller's finally charged. Drone is charged. I just have to, I think, update like the firmware or something. Kind of show you some of that right now. But I am pumped. We got daylight savings now, so it should get dark in about an hour or so. It's like 6, so hopefully I get some good time to just play around with it and whatnot. Okay. So yeah, take a look. Okay, so I kind of opened it the other night, but nothing too crazy. Honestly, the drone was just sitting here. Controller was sitting there. Little mini box with basically all the cords, spare propellers, little joysticks, that kinds of stuff was in there. Besides that, we have the drone that kind of just comes tucked away. We have to open the front propellers first with the little front legs. I guess that's probably a better word for it, but sorry, doing this one-handed. Not the move. And then these back ones, they fold downwards. So you kind of fold it like that. And you kind of just like spring into the correct spot. You're supposed to also remove the little plastic covering, like the gimbal shield, I guess you can call it. I don't even remember what it's called. But anyways, I've already paired it. So I'm just gonna put my phone in the controller, turn on the app, and start the firmware update. Okay, what is going on, guys? In the backyard right now. Jesus, it is overcast. In the backyard right now. About to set the drone up, get this going. Little kind of pre-check shit. Damn, so I gotta do some safety stuff, as you can see. But we got the camera open. I will show you the drone here in a sec. Alright guys, so I just went through the little tutorial kind of thing, so it was actually pretty cool, pretty simple. It was just little basics like learning to how to take off, fly it, you know, forwards, backwards, up, down, turn left, turn right, kind of your basic stuff. So I'm gonna play around now, try out my first, I guess, actual like flight, and see how it looks. Okay peeps, as you can see, battery, 18%. We were getting a little close, but we landed nice and safe. So I noticed it was giving a little trouble. It was saying it was not safe for landing. I don't know if because I kind of stepped on some of the dry parts. So like, I don't know, just because it was wet, if that affected it. But if so, it's kind of cool. Nevertheless, first flight, I'd like to say it was pretty successful. So yeah, I'll catch you back inside. Okay guys, so honestly, yeah, I wish it was like a better view tonight, better sunset kind of thing. Kind of waited a bit till last minute, had stuff to do, had stuff going on throughout the day, but nevertheless, I'm pumped. I can't believe it. I've been waiting for literally like the last year to get a drone. Finally fortunate enough to get one, and so just the beginning, you know, just the beginning. So I'm excited to just practice up, kind of get my skills a lot better, and yeah, just see exactly what we can continue to do and continue to create. So guys, I'm so pumped. This is so cool. So I know this is just the SE, the Mini SE, so I know there are just bigger and better as well too. So I'm gonna just practice up, keep learning, and a little mini review on it, I guess, with all the features and whatnot. I'm not really gonna go too in depth. You know, you can search it up, DJI Mini SE. You know, I apologize. I'm not really trying to do like the craziest in-depth review of it. Just kind of, I guess, more or less document my experience, kind of getting it, finally unboxing it, and trying it out. So this is truthfully my first time actually ever flying a drone. I've only really watched people fly drones, maybe like kind of looked over someone's shoulder, but yeah, I've really never personally flown one. So this was very fun. Looking forward to the future to continue to get better at this. But yeah, I appreciate it. As always guys, you know, like, subscribe, be on the lookout for next video. So thanks for watching. See you soon.